Hi guys, welcome to Amateur Chemistry. Today I'm going to show you 5 simple science experiments you can easily do at home. So first up we have the budget lava lamp. It is very simple to make and you will only need these ingredients. A glass container, vinegar, vegetable oil, baking soda, a light source and a dye. I use water paint. So the first step is to sprinkle some baking soda on the bottom of a container and then gently pour a generous amount of vegetable oil on top of it.
The second step is to pour some vinegar into a cup and then add the dye of your liking.
The final step is to place the oil container under a light source, turn off the lights, add some colored vinegar and watch the magic happen. So of course it isn't actually magic, and what happens here is a chemical reaction in which the vinegar reacts with the baking soda to produce CO2 gas, which pulls it upward and allows the cycle to repeat. So for this experiment you are going to need a plate, a toothpick, some spices, dish soap and water. To prepare the experiment, you need to pour some water onto the plate, sprinkle some spice, here I went with chili, and dip in the toothpick with some dish soap on it. As you can see, chili does not work really well, but the dish soap makes it retreat to the sides of the plate. I tried it another time with cinnamon and it worked quite better. The way this works is that the spice is floating on water because of its surface tension, which allows small, lightweight objects to stay afloat, and when the dish soap is applied, the tension disappears, which allows the spice to go under the water in a circle. The third experiment is making fire with gum foil and a battery. To do this experiment, you will need a battery, some gum foil, and a knife. The experiment involves a fire hazard, so be careful. The first step is to cut the gum foil in a specific way. Then you attach it to a battery and in theory you should get fire as shown in this video. However, I tried everything and it didn't work. So yeah, if you got it to work, please share it in the comments. In this experiment, we are going to make a bath bomb. Here are the ingredients: a cup, citric acid, and baking soda. To make the bath bomb, you need to mix the baking soda and citric acid in equal amounts, add dye or essential oil, and a tiny bit of water, and stir. After making the bath bomb paste, you can use it right away or dry to use later. So, the last experiment is very simple, but it can have a lot of uses. It's just the reaction of baking soda with vinegar and can be made by just mixing them together. As said earlier in the video, it produces a lot of carbon dioxide, which when trapped in a foam can make nice demonstrations. So yeah, thanks for watching, remember to like and subscribe, and see you in another video.